Hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Miller here. Today we're going to be working on Module 5, Lesson 13. So we're still working with those teen numbers, and don't forget 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 are all teen numbers, okay? I want you to practice writing those teen numbers. So when the video is over, I want you to practice your teen numbers and I want you to do your math worksheet. That would be lesson 13. So today we're working on our teen numbers, but we're working on organized rows. So organized rows could be like our 10 frame. So if we were doing the number 12, we could make our 10 frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we could do 2 more. So we know that 10 and 2 is 12. So if we used our hide 10 cards, we know that 10 and 2 is 12. Now, when we do organized rows, if we want to take one away and we know that we have 10 taking one, or we have 12 taking one away, we already know that we have 11. 10 and one more makes 11. That's why it's nice to put our blocks in an organized row. We could also do a different organized row with the number 12, and we could do groups of 2 if we wanted to see how we get groups of 2. So we could do, actually let's do groups of 3. So this is another way you could do an organized group for 12. So we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is our number. Remember, teen numbers start with a 1. So 1 and a 2 would make 12. And we know that if we take one of those away, now we know that we have 11. Now we know that we have 11. All right, let's try another number. Let's do 18. So I'm gonna do rows of 4. You could do rows of 4 as well. I'll give you a moment. You could draw these on your wipe-off board or draw them on a piece of paper. You could use something at home like pieces of cereal to practice your organized rows. Let's take a look here at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh no, I only have 16. And I said 18. So we're gonna have to put a 17 and an 18 in there. Okay, so we know that if we have 10, 8, that makes 18. We have our organized rows to make 18. That makes it a little easier to count. Now, what would happen if we take 1 away? 18 and we take 1 away. Anyone know what it might be? Write it down and let's check. If you said 17, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 1 more would be 17. So if you said 17, you were exactly right. Great job. All right, we're gonna do one more number. And this time, I'm gonna do rows of 5 because we can count my 5s, can't we? Let's do that real quick. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. So we know counting by fives for us is pretty easy. So we're going to look at rows of 5. Now I have 3 rows of 5. Wonder what that would be. 5, 10, 15. Very good. So when we know that we write 15 with a 1 and a 5, 15. Make sure when you're writing your 5, you're writing it the correct way, okay? All right, so if we have 15 and we take one of those 15 away, what's 1 less than 15? Write your answer, let's check it. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. A 1 and a 4 is 14. Very good, boys and girls. So just having your numbers or your materials in an organized row makes things so much easier to count, because when they're all over the board like this, we go, oh my goodness, how many do we have? We're not really sure. So when we put them in organized rows, we can count them a lot easier, and they're not all over the place. So practice your organized rows, and I'll be seeing you again real soon. Remember, practice writing those teen numbers. You could send those to your teacher through Dojo or a text message or an email, even if you haven't been emailing your teachers. I'm sure you could, they would love to hear from you. Also work on lesson 13, and I'll be seeing you again real soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.